Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to monetize your Facebook account, okay? But before I go into that, please share my video, like my video, and follow my page. Thank you. So let's quickly go into that. You'll be looking at how you can monetize your Facebook account. So first, pick up your phone, make sure you go to your dashboard on Facebook, and make sure you're using the old app side, the old application of Facebook. Okay, do not use the Facebook Lite, use the old application that can show you this C dashboard. If you go to this C dashboard, the next thing that you do, just click on the C dashboard. Okay, in this C dashboard, this will display your performance. Okay, as it's shown here, it will display your performance. So the next thing you need to do is just scroll down a little, scroll down. So sometimes you can see this is a network or error, but you hold on a little. There are some informations that are down here that need to pop up. Okay, if it continues like this and it's not showing you the rest of the information needed, you can still log in again. Take it out. I'm going back there again. I'm going back there again. Okay. Oh, now you can see this. Okay, this is what monetizations. If you are eligible, explore ways to earn money on Facebook. And Facebook monetization, one thing you must know is that it's based on invitations. You must be invited. And that invitation will either be on your email or on your same application, on your same account, on your same dashboard. Okay, now you can see here, this place showing payout. Okay, this place showing payout your earnings and transactions. This is where your account number will be, your full information will be where you will get paid, the account number of which you will need to be paid in. This is where it will be. Okay, so this monetization, you click on these monetizations. If you click on this monetization, look at the top right hand side of this place, you see setup. You see I am invited now. I need to set this up. Okay, so this is for the in-streams ads. So for the bonus and the subscriptions, I need like 10,000 subscribers for this one for me to be eligible for the subscriptions, and also I need a lot of viewers and a lot of subscribers for me to be able to earn from these bonuses. Okay, this is very simple. So the next thing you need to do, you just need to click on the setup. If you click on the setup, it will bring you to this place and ask you to get started. Okay, what is it showing here? It's showing you can now start earning money with in-streams ads. I'm only eligible to earn money with only in-streams ads here. Okay, so earn revenue more easily. It's what easy to monetize your videos. Insert ads with a simple toggle. Okay, the second one says you can decide when to earn money. You control where and how ads appear. Ads are displayed only when and how you want. Okay, you know there are some ads that start playing from the beginning, and some at the middle, and some at the end of the video. Okay, you decide where and when you want your own ads to display on your video, so that it will not kind of obstruct your viewers. Okay, the third one says include ads without overwhelming viewers. You see, maximize your existing fan base and play ads without hindering their viewing experience. Okay, next thing you just need to click on get started. You see I've already enrolled mine. Okay, the payout accounts and the others. So it's very simple. This is all that you need to do. So please, if you have not liked my video, share my video or comment on my video. Please do that. You have the whole time now. Do that to elevate me. Okay, follow my video so that whenever I drop any content, any valuable content of this nature, it will get to you immediately and you know where to forward from. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can as well drop it at the comment section, and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I am grateful. See you in my next video. Bye.